Ever had your drone die mid-shot just when the magic happens? Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best power stations for drone charging that keep you unstoppable. You'll discover reliable, fast charging options to level up your shoots. Stick around and check the links below to grab your perfect power companion. At number 5 is UDPOWER 1200 watts power station. The moment your drone battery crashes to 0 miles away from civilization, you realize power isn't convenience, it's survival. That's where the UDPOWER 1200-watt power station steps in with quiet authority. Built for creators chasing long aerial sessions, it delivers consistent energy with pure sine wave output that keeps sensitive drone chargers stable. Imagine running multiple batteries, your controller, even a laptop, all at once without fear. The fast dual charging and solar compatibility mean you're never tied to a wall, perfect for remote shoots or travel-heavy pilots. Its rugged battery life pushes years ahead, reducing the anxiety of degradation. Still, it carries some weight, so ultralight travelers may hesitate. Compared to lighter options like Jackery Explorer units, this one prioritizes power depth over portability. For serious drone enthusiasts, filmmakers, and off-grid adventurers, it transforms downtime into uninterrupted creativity. When power stops being your limitation, your vision finally gets the freedom it deserves. At number 4 is BLUETTI Elite Portable Power Station. Most drone pilots don't lose footage to crashes, they lose it to dead batteries at the worst possible moment. That's where the BLUETTI Elite Portable Power Station quietly proves its worth. Compact yet capable, it slips into your gear bag and delivers dependable charging for drones, controllers, and field laptops without slowing your workflow. The fast recharge gets you back in the air quickly, while multiple charging modes adapt whether you're on the road or deep in nature. Its efficient power management stretches runtime, a lifesaver during long shoots. However, the capacity suits light to moderate users, not heavy-duty setups. Compared to something like the Jackery Explorer 500, it trades raw capacity for portability and smarter efficiency. Ideal for travel creators, casual drone users, and backup home needs, it removes the stress of limited power. When your gear stays alive longer, your creativity stops feeling rushed and starts flowing naturally. On number 3 is Goal Zero Yeti Portable Power Station. Power failures don't just interrupt your shoot, they quietly erase opportunities you can't recreate. That's where the Goal Zero Yeti Portable Power Station earns attention in this space. Designed for creators who rely on consistent drone battery charging in unpredictable environments, it delivers steady output with enough surge to handle demanding gear. The fast recharge is a standout, taking it from empty to ready while you prep your next flight. Its rugged build handles dust, splashes, and rough travel, making it reliable for outdoor filming and off-grid adventures. The long battery lifespan adds confidence for those investing in long-term use. Still, the power capacity leans toward mid-range users, not large production setups. Compared with the BLUETTI Elite Portable Power Station, it feels more durable, but slightly less compact. Ideal for drone pilots, campers, and field creators who need dependable energy without complexity. When reliability becomes second nature, your focus shifts fully to capturing moments that matter. At number 2 is VTOMAN Jump 600X Portable Power Station. A single dead battery can turn an epic drone session into a wasted trip in seconds. That frustration is exactly where the VTOMAN Jump 600X Portable Power Station finds its purpose. Built for mobility and quick deployment, it delivers reliable output for charging drone batteries, controllers, and small gear without dragging you down. The standout feature is its expandability, giving you room to grow your power setup as your needs evolve. Fast charging keeps your workflow moving, while multiple ports let you handle several devices at once during outdoor shoots. It is especially suited for solo drone pilots, travelers, and weekend creators who need balance between power and portability. On the flip side, heavy users running high-demand equipment may find its base capacity limiting. Compared to the Goal Zero Yeti Portable Power Station, it feels more flexible but slightly less rugged. When your gear stays powered without constant planning, every flight becomes smoother and far more productive. Now moving to the last one is DJI Power 1000 Portable Power Station. What if your drone could stay in the air longer, simply because your power source finally kept up with your ambition? That idea becomes real with the DJI Power 1000 portable power station. Built for demanding creators, it delivers serious output capable of running multiple drone batteries, charging hubs, and even high-draw gear without hesitation. Long shoots often fail due to slow recharging and inconsistent power, but its rapid recharge speed flips that experience, getting you back in action fast. The quiet operation adds another layer of comfort, especially during night setups or remote filming. Its durable battery system ensures long-term reliability, making it a strong companion for frequent flyers. However, the need for separate adapters for solar or car charging may feel limiting for some users. Compared with the VTOMAN Jump 600X portable power station, it offers far more output but sacrifices some portability. Ideal for professionals and serious drone enthusiasts who refuse interruptions. When your power finally matches your pace, your creative limits start to disappear. If you want one power station that truly removes charging anxiety, the clear winner is the DJI Power 1000 portable power station. It stands out because it combines high 2200-watt output with ultra-fast 70-minute recharge and dedicated fast charging for drone batteries, something others don't match. While others focus on either portability or capacity, this balances both with smart safety and long battery life. It's ideal for serious drone creators who need consistent, fast, reliable power in the field. Simply put, it keeps your workflow uninterrupted when it matters most. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best power station for drone charging. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.